What's good? What's good? What's good, team? Check this out, man. EURJPY is very close to our target, man. It's already 140 grand in profit, and it just dropping beautiful, guys. And this one was really easy. Like what we did yesterday, you know, we had this consolidation, and it gave us a clear signal over here that it wants to go down, you know. I mean, it came up a little bit, but for me it was great. I had my stop somewhere over here originally, and it was not hunting the stop. So yeah, everything worked perfect. We got the drop in the trend direction. I already banked 50% from the original size, so I'm in profit already, and I got my stop in profit as well. And yeah, let's see. I want to close another half of my position as soon as we hit that bottom. But as you all know, we are in a downtrend, so it could probably go for a deeper move. So I'll try to hold on to one of the positions and try to ride it out to even lower lows and move my stop with the structure on the smaller time frame, just to squeeze that thing as much as I can, you know. And yeah, if you're not in the free Telegram chat, guys, I'm sending some of my free analysis over there. Check the links in the description below and just join the group, guys. And if you need some help, drop me a message on Telegram, join the private chat with me. I'm gonna help you. And then yeah, let's make some money, guys. Peace out.
Fly me to the moon. Forget what you know. Every time I know why you falling in love. Fly me to the moon. Forget what you know. Every time I know why you falling in love.